Hello, everybody. I'm Enchanting and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you, and it came like this. February's from the SugarMuses. So this is Midnight Muses for February. So let's take a sneak peek at this. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is what we got. And, oops, no droppy things. Okay, the theme is Midnight Muses, Priestess of the Flame. And as you can see, there's always beautiful art in the paper. And she changes her boxes monthly, different paper, different everything. It makes it exciting every month and a wonderful surprise. So this, we have a beautiful black and white, beautiful paper. And we have an oracle or a tarot. We don't know until we open it. In this beautiful envelope, we have an oracle. Pretty card. And I got puppy. Pretty. Okay. Then we have our Book of Shadows sheets, which are beautiful. Look at this beautiful one. Isn't that gorgeous? And my little poopy doggies are here. Who do we have? Oliver is visiting. And then this one says Priestess of the Flame. And you got all this pretty flowers. Very nice. So we have those two beautifuls. What do you got? You better not be stealing anything. Let's open our beautiful oh, when we open the paper, like everything looks so pretty in the box. Like it has its space. Let's see if I can do it without knocking anything over. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love just opening them. I really do. It makes me so happy. All right, so right on top, we have these pretty beeswax red, and they look like I don't know what you call this shape, but it's really like a spiral maybe. And we got two of these, very pretty beeswax. And then right on top we have this pretty black sachet, and it's tied with a beautiful bow. And we got some pretty herbs in here. Let's see what's in there. Our sachet. So cold here today. This weather is going nuts. One day it's nice, then the next day it's like freaking snowing. I guess that's what to expect in February. So we got a big bag of wormwood. And we got a bag of ginger root. And we also have in this, so it must be a little spell, little black star sachet. So we must be using these to make some kind of sachet with. Hi guys. Hi Bowie. Where's my Bowie? Where are you? He's my girl. Oh, and then we have another black sachet tied with a perfect bow with this. Ooh, mine says empowered. What's going on? Bella, you behind me? Oh yeah, she is. Good girl. You can sit. Sit nice. Sit nice, Bowie. The other twos are being out there being bad. Your sister's being bad. Can't even open it. Okay, here we go. I don't know if this is like glass, but either way, it's very pretty. I love the color of this. Mine says empowered. Hoping you guys can see that. It's like a little, maybe like a little worry stone. I love you, Bowie. I don't know if you can see her. Can you see? Oh, she's not making the top. Let me see. She's right. There she is. This is my Bowie. The others are still outside. All right. Then we have, oh, we have this big thing. So let me just grab this big, heavy item that's in this box. Heavy, heavy duty. And the bubble wrap. Ooh. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is really beautiful. Look at that. I love it. And we got a bag of sand. And this is big. And this comes out too if you want to clean it. And then you got your big, heavy duty, beautiful bowl and sand. Wow. That is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Then I see we have our bubbled item. Ella, what is your sisters doing out there? They're being bad. Oh, this is pretty. High Priestess perfume oil. Let's see. Here we go. Beautiful. What happened to the door? The wind closed it? Ooh, and then we have High Priestess Ritual Salts. Pretty label. And the beautiful herb. And we got Midnight Moon, Bergamot and Neroli incense sticks. And our last item is in this black box. Beautiful. Look at that. It is a beautiful black chain and High Priestess. It's like in a black tarot here. A little metal, I guess you would say. Let's see if we can get it close. There we go. And on the bottom here, it says High Priestess. Very, very beautiful. And that is our box. All right, let me feel my legs. I know. You want me to open the door? And here, our paperwork is the beautiful picture of the priestess. Let me just crack that door because I know if I do not, they're gonna bark and yell and scream and bark and yell and scream and all that good stuff. Ugh. What happened? Go ahead. The wind blow the door? Ollie, boo! Where's Looney? No, you gotta go outside to bark. Go outside and bark. Go ahead. Outside. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the February history is such a special month that contains... contains the holidays Imbolc, Groundhog's Day, Lupercalia, and of course St. Valentine's Day. Some say that Valentine's Day is rooted in the ancient holiday of Lupercalia. Lupercalia was a pre-Roman annual festival celebrated from the 13th through the 15th. No one knows the exact origin of Lupercalia, but it has been traced back as far as the 6th century BC in Rome, and it's thought that Lupercalia took place to honor the she-wolf Lupercal, and please the fertility god Lupericus. History tells us It was a wild Roman party that included drinking, dancing, and sacrifice and orgies. As a part of the celebrations, men randomly chose a woman named from a jar to be coupled with, and then for the duration of the festival, often the couple stayed together until the following year's festival. I've heard a lot about that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this box was curated and created for the empowerment and union of the twin flames. It is said that the twin flame is the other part of your soul, the part of you that exists in the spiritual realm while you are here on earth. Your twin flame is not to be confused with soulmates, humans who share the same energy with you in the physical form. While you exist in the physical realm, your twin flame stays in the spiritual realm. To find your twin flame and connect with that energy is to reunite with the whole self in its entirety and become fully empowered. Work with these offerings in this month's box to connect fully with the aspects of yourself in both the physical and spiritual realm. Love it. So the items in the box. All right, so Midnight Moon incense sticks. Leave it out. Bergamot and neroli. Obviously for cleanse. It says used for spells and rituals for self-purification, courage, luck, and love. It smells really good too. Then the High Priestess ritual salts. You can use this in the bath water, use in magical blends to help you relax and cleanse. Tea bags can be used to help keep the herbs from going down the drain. This blend is Epsom salt, sea salt, dried ginger, essential oils, and notes of ginger root. Yeah. Okay, High Priestess oil. This beautiful bottle. Anoint your pulse points. Hand blended exclusively for this month's box. This oil blend base notes are red roses, vanilla, sandalwood, and mahogany wood. Can be used in ceremonial to anoint the body, as well as the magical tools. Ritual oils and perfume oils are alcohol-free. The carrier oil base of a scent-free organic almond oil. Ooh, nice. Her oils are really wonderful. I absolutely adore them. Then we got our Twin Flames beeswax candles. They're hand-rolled with the scent, hand-rolled to set intentions of uniting with your twin flame and empowerment. And there's a simple twin flame candle spell on our paperwork for us to use if we'd like. Then there's a sachet spell bag right here. And that is what's included in here. Ginger root, the wormwood, and the bag. Ginger root is good for success, courage, strength, passion, power, and love. Wormwood is good for strong connection to the spiritual world and help connect you and yourself to the spiritual world and promote intuition. Hide. It is glass, engraved glass stone, palm stone. Can be used in color magic. Color red corresponds with twin flames in the root chakra. Red is also the color of passion and depth of feeling. It represents blood, life force, creation, and a full cycle of being. Place on your altar or use it as a touchstone to remind you of your stone symbolism. The sand and your triple moon burning or offering bowl. This piece is made of cold cast resin and features stainless steel bowl insert, making it perfect for burning your incense or herbs. This bowl is ideally sized to fit comfortably in your hands as you cleanse your space. Beautifully detached touch of magic for your altar and sacred space, ideal for use for fire magic spells and rituals. Then our beautiful High Priestess pendant, mystery sensuality, fertility, creativity, higher power, intuition, inner voice, and divine feminine. Reminds us that trusting one's instincts is the key of making choices that align with their heart desires. And this also is engraved stainless steel. So this will never turn on you. And our beautiful drawn Book of Shadows and Art. And our intuitively drawn card is from the Magical Botanical Oracle. This one in here. This was an awesome box. I also adored the SugarMuses Deluxe box as well. We had a beautiful Freya statue in there. And this is really beautiful. Let me know, guys, what you think of February's Midnight Muses Deluxe. I absolutely love it. I can't even tell you what my favorite item is going to be. Well, obviously, this is really awesome. The perfumes are always awesome. This necklace looks pretty cool, too. And I love that we have spells and rituals to do. I'll leave you all the information down below, guys. Thank you for watching.